after a day at the beach, sometimes it's nice to come home to a nice cold treat. So in today's video, we are going to make some peach sherbet. It's really easy. We get to use fresh peaches from my garden, and there's no machine needed. So let's go spice things up.
The first thing I am doing is cutting my peaches up into slices, peeling the skin off. The nice thing is when they are really ripe like this, the skin just peels right off. And then I am laying them in a pan to go ahead and put them in the freezer. I'm going to put them in the freezer until the peaches freeze, and then I'm going to take them out once the peaches are frozen. And of course you can use any kind of frozen fruit as well.
And then so you'll just want to put your peaches, your frozen peaches right in. And I'm going to put about 4 cups of peaches in here. And then I'm going to take 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk and pour them right into the blender. And then you'll just want to put the lid on, lock it into place, and then turn it on. And now you want to pour it in a freezer safe container. Put the lid on, and then put it right into the freezer for 4 hours. And after 4 hours, it is done.
Hello guys, we're trying this peach sherbet today. I bet it's going to be amazing. Alright, here we go guys. It's pretty good, you know. Got that peach in it, you know. Has everything in it. Pretty nice and wonderful and beautiful and you can definitely taste the peach.
Well, thanks guys so much for watching the video, and I hope you go and make this yourself, and have a beautiful day.
Alright, guys, bye.
Bye. Bye, and see you in the next video.